Airports are highly regulated hubs that require passengers to follow strict security protocols and administrative procedures. Navigating these efficiently is essential for a stress-free travel experience. Check-in and compliance. Upon arrival at the departure terminal, passengers must locate their airline's check-in counter to verify their travel credentials. In addition to a valid passport, you may need to provide a visa or an electronic travel authorization, depending on your destination. During this stage, you must manage your checked baggage. Most airlines have strict weight allowances. Exceeding these limits often results in excess baggage charges. Once your bags are tagged and processed, you will receive a boarding pass, which contains vital information such as your boarding group and seat assignment. Security screening and restrictions. The security checkpoint is a critical phase where all carry-on items are inspected. Passengers are expected to comply with transportation safety regulations, which include removing laptops from bags and adhering to the liquids, aerosols and gels rule. Liquids must be in containers of 100 milliliters or less and placed in a transparent, resealable plastic bag for easy inspection by security personnel. The airside experience and flight status. Once you have cleared security, you are officially airside. This area offers duty-free shopping, lounges, and dining options. However, it is imperative to monitor the flight information system. Beyond the standard on time or delayed status, you should watch for specific operational updates. Gate change. The flight will now depart from a different location. Estimated departure. The new time the flight is expected to leave. Final call. The absolute last opportunity to board before the aircraft doors are closed. Boarding and in-flight safety. At the departure gate, the ground crew organizes the boarding process by groups to ensure efficiency. After walking through the jet bridge, you enter the cabin, where the flight crew is responsible for your safety and comfort. It is mandatory to stow your belongings in the overhead compartments and ensure your seatbelt is securely fastened for taxi, takeoff, and landing. Arrival, immigration, and customs. After the aircraft touches down, passengers proceed to passport control. At this stage, immigration officers verify your entry requirements. Following this, you can retrieve your belongings at the luggage carousel. The final step is passing through customs, where you must declare any restricted items, before entering the arrivals hall.